What is everyone, this is Motorola here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Ubisoft Connect installer integrity check has failed error that you may be getting. So usually you get this error when you're either trying to update Ubisoft or most likely install this launcher right here, and you're getting this error. I'm going to show you what to do to fix it. So do not install the installer directly from Google Chrome basically, or from your web browser. Instead, download it or install it from the Microsoft Store. So go to your search bar and type in Microsoft Store. In here, just search for Ubisoft Connect. So I'm going to show you right now. So let's see. Once it loads, right here, you're going to basically type in Ubisoft, just right, Ubisoft, and you'll see the Ubisoft Connect thing pop up right here. Basically, install this directly from here instead. Once you do this, it will basically install it directly through Microsoft, so it usually bypasses any issues or admin issues or concerns that might be happening, because installing from the store is different than installing it externally. So I would recommend you to basically do it from here, and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorola's out. Peace.